Hello there. The cold weather this week has been a bit of a shock to the system, especially considering that the early part of this month we saw temperatures well above the seasonal norm. So for the next few days, certainly the rest of this week, it's staying very cold with really cold nights. Frost and ice will continue and snow showers will be draped around coastal areas and accumulating mainly on hills. Now we've got a number of yellow snow and ice warnings in force, but this is the amber warning which comes into force early part of Thursday and lasts till Thursday evening to cater for 15 to 25 centimetres of accumulating snow by the time Thursday's out. And that's because on Thursday we'll have that cold northerly Arctic wind feeding in all these showers to coast areas, but especially so across eastern Scotland, eastern England, piling into North Yorkshire there. Elsewhere, plenty of dry and sunny weather after that cold from frosty start, and temperatures generally around 5 or 6 will be the high. And then as we head through Thursday into Friday, we see those snow showers continuing again around coastal areas. It could be the coldest night of the season so far over the snowfields of Scotland. We could be down as low as -12 Celsius to start Friday, so very cold. Now, some subtle changes on Friday. We've got a ridge of high pressure moving in. That should cut off the Arctic northerly and kill off the showers down eastern coast areas, but we could have quite a few through the Dover Straits for a while before they fade out. England and Wales mostly drive some sunshine, but it will start to turn cloudy, I think, late on Friday across Scotland and Northern Ireland. So temperatures may be up a degree or so because we've cut off that Arctic northerly. And then into the weekend, some changes. We're back to the Atlantic, bringing low pressure systems across the country. This first front bumping into the cold air. We could see some snow on its leading edge before it starts to push eastwards and allows some less cold air to move in. So I think later on Saturday we could be up to 12 degrees in the southwest. However, this next area of low pressure to arrive for part 2 of the weekend is going to be deeper, we think. Yes, there'll be some less cold air wrapped into it, but it will drag cold air back into the system. And when you factor in the strength of the wind, the cloud, the rain on Sunday, although temperatures will be a few degrees up, it might not feel like that. But it's going to be an unsettled day, we think, Sunday. Rain with gales around. Some of the rain will be quite heavy across central and northern areas. And those temperatures, maybe just double figures in the south, still quite cold further north. As we move out of Sunday into Monday, that area of low pressure takes its time to clear away. It only very gently moves in towards the North Sea. So we could be left with a run of northwesterly winds on Monday with plenty of showers, a little bit of sunshine in between, but that might bring temperatures down somewhat. So maybe 10 or 11 in the southwest, given some brightness. Otherwise, it's fairly cool elsewhere. Beyond then, so we move out of next weekend into the following week. It does look like the Atlantic will take over. We'll see areas of low pressure with high pressure building over the near continent. So that will bring us southwesterly winds, we think. So if anything, I think it will eventually start to turn milder as we move through the following week. Cold air never too far away though, but you'll see those temperatures as we move out of the weekend into the following week, reaching double figures for many. But don't expect too much in the way of dry and sunny weather. Low pressure will bring a lot of wind and rain.